Come on, Chow.
Go do the tunnel again.
Show your stuff. Gotta help her out. You gotta get this potato to go through. Go, Shell, go. Go, Shelby, go. She's too smart for that. Go, Shelby. Come on, you can't get her. Look at your mom. Uh-oh. She might follow that ball right through, huh?
Yeah. Shelby, look.
Or she might just walk around to the other side and pick it up.
Go. Shelby. Okay, you ready?
Go, Shell, go.
Go. She just ran.
Wow, that's such a trained dog. She'll slide downhill through a tube when pushed from behind. She's a genius. You could be Air Bud stand-in. You know that.
Go through, Kaylee. Come on. You couldn't get her to go through?
No, I could, but
Whoa.
once you get them started, they're afraid to turn around.
There.
Oh, this is comical. Yeah, this is... Oh, she's close. Push. Oh, she loved that. Can you do it again? Go, Kaylee, go.
Now I can do what it is.
It's fun. Shelby actually liked it. Hey, Shell.
I don't think she wants to go again.
Go, Shelby. Kaylee.
Come on. Come on. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yay!
She's not fighting you as much now.
Yay! That was a good girl. Ah, that was a good girl. Whoa.
Hey, pull it. Evil dog. You ready to try swimming?
Okay. Alright, let's go. Get some water.